before planets learned possession. I was pressure, vapor, incandescent confession. No crown, no witness, no calendar sign. First light chemistry drawing a line. Yeah. Yeah. Near the proto-sun where the furnace spoke, corundum condensed through refractory smoke. Hotter than memory past 2000 Celsius. Melt snap fast, FB3M meticulous. Magnesium delta lamate, first natural proof. Hibernite edging like armor on a microscopic roof. PGE nuggets tucked in a zirconium vault. Scandium rich phases preserved in thermal assault. Elendite, Kangite, Tazaranite in the core, Warkite, Wyperovskite, guarding the door. Heavy rare earths held while lighter ones fled. Fractionation wrote what the fire never said. Delta 17 oxygen, minus 22 per mil. The isotope signature stays ice cold still. Disk wind, turbulent diffusion. Either route could bear refractory cargo from incandescent air. I came from a temperature language can't frame. A mineral cipher with no hunger for fame. Call it a rock, that verdict is thin. Solar nebula wearing desert skin. Far where the carbonaceous reservoir spun. Metal met silicate beyond the young sun. CH 3.0 unequilibrated code. Low metamorphic grade kept the archive unbowed. CAIs in matrix, AOA trace. Al-rich chondrules with the remelted face. Grossite with spinal, melalite beside. Facite and northite crystallized inside. Camosite whispered through fine grained seams. Tetradenite flash, nickel heavy gleams. Olivine near Forsterite, firelight kept lean. Pyroxene range wide in the microprobe scene. Siderophile, chalcophile, lithophile align. 3 affinity classes in a high metal mine. Q component gases stayed sealed in the grain. Helium neon ratios, red solar, clear and plain. Parent body violence, split chapter from shell. Then vacuum every syllable well. No diary, yet isotopes talk. No heartbeat, still noble gases walk. Each inclusion is evidence compressed. A polished section puts deep time on the desk. Bow shock plasma made the boundary glow. Brief fusion crust over cargo below. Dark brown angles reached albus the ground. Limestone gravel where the fragments were found. February 13th, 2004. 70 plus fragments, 10 meters scatter on the floor. From 0.2 grams to 888, 1.796 kilos total weight. Weathering grade W2, corrosion cut deep. Layered surfaces held what oxidation could reap. First guess, anomalous and static plan. Oxygen ratios overturned that plan. Delta 17, 1.91 in the chart. Delta 18, 5.71 played its part. Both struck the CR, mixing line with precision. Petrology plus chemistry closed the decision. The label went official, the specimen stayed raw. Rare CH Chondrite carrying nebula law. Read me by beam, section and scan. Across no kingdom I predate every plan. Not treasure by price, but chronology compressed. Less than 2 kilos with a star nursery confessed. Now each micron turns a courtroom exhibit. Condensation transport accretion, history lives in it. The tiny refractory phase can outwrap a whole age, cause crystal structure never edits the page. Desert silence tried weathering truth into rust. Microanalysis pulled a nebula story from dust. When base hits hard, let the thin section shine. SaU290 verdict, CR mixing line. I'm no falling star, that phrase undersells. Archive genesis inside silicate shells. Punchline etched where the oldest solids reside. Earth found the fragment, the cosmos testified. No myth, no monument, just matter, cross-examined by light.